Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jam factory. Start by assessing fruit supply, required equipment, and basic food safety steps to scale from kitchen to small factory. Decide your core recipes and shelf life expectations, then choose batching frequency and employee roles. Sketch a simple layout showing wash, cook, fill, and pack zones. Budget for refrigeration, sterilization, and basic quality control to protect product and brand reputation. Selecting the right equipment makes production smoother and safer. Focus on kettles that match your batch goals and choose filling machines that reduce spillage and speed lines. Don't skimp on cooling and storage. Proper temperature control preserves flavor and prevents spoilage. Consider fallback manual stations for small runs or recipe testing. Plan for maintenance space and spare parts to avoid downtime and keep output reliable during peak seasons. Establish clear processes so every jar matches customer expectations. Standardize recipes with precise sugar, fruit, and pectin ratios and record batch weights and cooking times. Use pH meters and temperature logs to confirm safe acidity and processing conditions. Keep detailed batch records for traceability and recall readiness. Train your team on cleaning, cross-contamination avoidance, and emergency steps to protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.